welcome to you, dear student, welcome to you on first online first classes in this current time. Today I am going to learn about word and sentence. What is a word? Word is a group of letters which makes complete sense. It's called word. As, at, but, like, etc. Another definition: a meaningful combination of vowel and consonant is known word. Word can be divided two parts: useful word, second useless word. Useful word, meaningful groups of letters is known useful word. As P plus A T equal to 5. Pen, pin, pot, cup. Here this word always make a sense, so it is called word. Useless word, meaningless group of letters is known useless word. As APD, CTA, etc. Here is not, no, makes sense, so it is useless word. Definition of sentence: a group of words which make complete sense is called a sentence. Example: I smile. Second, my mother is housewife. Other example: my father gave me a watch. Note: sentence is always begin with capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Here the punctuation mark is add full stop, capital letter, full stop, interrogative mark, and exclamatory mark, exclamation mark. Let us now definition of sentence. Part of subject. A sentence can be divided into two parts. First, subject. Second, predicate. Subject, the part of a sentence which is the name of person or thing we are speaking about the subject. It is also called naming parts of a sentence. As he writes a letter, in this sentence he is subject of naming parts of a sentence. The predicate, the part of sentence which tells something about the predicate. It is also called doing parts of a sentence. As Ram eats an apple. In this sentence, eats an apple is predicate or doing parts of a sentence. Subject and predicate may be consist of one word or several words. You are understand this topic. We shall next online classes about the sentence and sentence analyze or kinds of sentence. Thank you.